Okay, so that right there is a hotel casino right there. It's called, we'll catch it in a minute and I'll tell you exactly what it is, and it's near this construction area, MPI. I'll tell you about that too. Casino Million Dragon, that's the name of it. Okay, so let's just kind of walk around this area and show you what it's all about. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that's a Million Dragon Casino. Then down there, there's some other casinos directly down that way. Lisboa, there's Rio Hotel, I think that's also a casino. There's a handful of them down there. But this one's focus is Casino Million Dragon. And let's just kind of walk around and show you the street and area a little bit. See all the bikes, and then there's a bunch of construction right here. This is for MPI, which is there's Waldo Casino too, right down there. So let's see, you got Spa and Beauty, Club M Dragon, okay, Japanese restaurant in there, and M Dragon Palace. I'm not sure what that is, but you got a few things here, and then you got MPI right there as well. MPI is Macau Polytech Institute. And it looks like you also got a bunch of residential apartments above the casino. Oh, those look like maybe the casino hotel rooms, and those are like residential, and they're in the same building for some reason. Not sure why. And this IPM is Institute of Polytech of Macau. Macau Polytech Institute. Looks like it's all being repaired, all new scaffolding and everything. But that university is right here, and it's directly across from Million Dragon Hotel. And I guess what we'll do is we'll go down a little bit, try to show you this area, which I guess is the main focus around here. Is casino next to MPI, or in Portuguese IPM. And IPM or MPI has a bookstore, which is right here, and then this is the entrance, so you can't see it very well. I have filmed in there before. Got a bank right here, an MPI. So it's a little bit of the neighborhood. And this is the bookstore right here. So maybe we'll just kind of show you the books, show you that there is one, and how big it is. I've been in there many times without. So, oh, I see. You can go into the bookstore. You can't go into the campus from the bookstore. I see what they're saying. Okay, so let's just kind of walk around the Million Dragon Hotel. See if we can just go across right here. And there's Waldo right there. So we'll come around on this side, kind of walk around this hotel casino, Million Dragon Casino. Yeah, that's a really beautiful university. It's under construction. Million Dragon Hotel. So behind it, there's kind of a cool street. So I think what we'll do is we'll go behind it. Cotai Shaman. And that's the main way right there. And here's the Million Dragon Hotel lobby, potentially. Looks like that. Some dragons, looks kind of empty. Looks like behind us there's kind of a nice little pedestrian street. There's also a park up here too. So we kind of check out all these ones. So there's Waldo down that way. Then this one, there's a nice little park right here. There's also a nice park right here too. So you got this, and you got all that right there. And this is behind the Million Dragon Casino. So that's behind it right there. And then yeah, you can see there's residential apartments, so that must be the hotel part right there. And that might be, some of these have like saunas and things like that, so it might be like something like that that kind of extends, or this is a parking garage for these residents, which might be the case. So I'm gonna guess maybe the casino is like this part, that half, and then that half is residential. So what we're gonna do is just kind of continue walking.